Good morning, everyone. Good day to some. Good evening to some. Again, I am Teacher May. Now, I want you to look at these pictures. What do you see? Yes, a happily married couple. Then, a pregnant woman. And then, a baby, a sister, and a brother. I know that some of you, are wondering why at first you're the only child of the family, and then your family gets bigger and bigger and bigger until you have your brothers and sisters. And we all became a baby once. And do you notice that as you grow older, as you grow taller, there are some changes happening in your body? Some grew hair on their face, and for the boys, they changed their voice. And speaking of hair, boys and girls now have underarm hair. We also have our pubic hair. Yes, we all experience these changes. For the girls, aside from having underarm hair, we grow our breast and the hips bigger. And for the girls, we're starting to have a menstrual period or menstruation. And for the boys, they experience ejaculation. Yes, those are all but natural. Every human being experiences those changes. Even me, even your parents, your mommy, your daddy, we all experience those. Because that's part of growing up. That's part of our development. Now, for us to understand why our families are getting bigger, many families are getting bigger, there are newly born babies, all those are happening, all these things, wonderful things are happening because of the development we are experiencing. And as we discuss now, we are going to know about male reproductive system. Do you know that male reproductive system is made up of several organs? These organs are responsible for producing sperm cells and hormones. A sperm cell is needed to fertilize an egg cell, while hormones are responsible for the development of adult male characteristics. See? Now, what you're seeing are the parts of the male reproductive system. These reproductive systems are present in every man, in every boy. So, what do you see? Those are the male reproductive system parts. Now, we are going to discuss each part for you to clearly understand the male reproductive system. First is the penis. Penis provide what? For young boys like you, yes, it is for urinating. And as you grow older, when you are ready to become a daddy, It is used for sexual function. Now, you are now seeing the scrotum. Yes, I know boys know this. You all know this. This is the skin that holds the testes. Yes, scrotum holds the testes along with many blood vessels and nerves. And do you know that in order to achieve normal sperm development, it is necessary that the temperature of the testes should be somewhat cooler than the body temperature. See? It's wonderful. Now, the testes or testicles that is being held by the scrotum produce the sperm cells and the testosterone. Now, where does this sperm cell being stored? It is, as you can see in the picture, Epididymis. Epididymis store sperm cells. Yes, you take a look at the picture. The one labeled is the Epididymis. Now, let's talk about urethra. Urethra, the one labeled in that picture, is the passageway of urine and semen. That is the urethra. Next is what? Can you spell that? Seminal vesicles. Seminal vesicles is the muscular tissues that pushes the fluid out of the glands and into forming semen. And now we have the vas deferens. See? As you can see, it is a long muscular tube that serves as the passageway of the sperm cells released from where? From the testes. It also connects the testes to the seminal vesicle and the urethra. Okay, now we have the prostate gland. Prostate gland, do you know that it produces fluid that nourishes and protects the sperm? See? There's a gland that nourishes and protects the sperm. For you men or boys or fathers to have a healthy sperm. So what protects the sperm? It is the prostate gland. Now we have another gland here. Yes, Cowper's gland. It is one of the two pea-sized organs. See how small it is? Pea-sized. It's only the size of the pea. This organ is found beneath the prostate gland. This one is responsible for releasing fluid that flushes out foreign matters and it neutralizes the acidic urine in the urethra. See? Every part of the reproductive system is really important. For what? For the reproduction of life. Diba? Now, again, let's think about it. What are the functions of the male reproductive organs? Okay, you have to remember this. Male reproductive organs produce, conserve, and transport sperm, the male sex cells, as well as semen, or the protective fluid. It discharges sperm in the female reproductive tract while having sex. and it also produces and discharges sex hormones accountable for sustaining the male reproductive system. See? Do you now understand? The male reproductive organs, its part and its function? Having a healthy reproductive organs means having what? More babies, healthy babies, and larger families. Okay, goodbye.